The greatest gift a man can ever give his family is the very best of himself. Life is this crazy, infinite game. As soon as you come to peace with that, and you know it's never going to be a one-to-one, you've got to go above and beyond, you'll win.
I gave up for 20 years or so, I was just working my ass off thinking that's what I had to do in life, but it's not. It's being there for your family, being there for yourself, and just getting the confidence in yourself and loving life again.
These in-person catch-ups are just amazing. We all have different experiences, but we're all here for the same reason. We all want to be amazing fathers. We all want to be amazing men for ourselves.
So what do? Do we stay in this state? Or do we understand that the game's changed? We rise up, we adjust, we invest in ourselves to provide a deeper level of value through the eyes of those that we're seeking. So at the end of the day, that's the only thing that really truly matters. Time with those we love. And the most important relationship starts with one with yourself. So let's get to work and start developing ourselves, men. Because that's how much you actually matter, whether you know it or not, and whether you believe it or not. That's the truth.